Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily visit my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And if you guys want to ask any question, or you guys want me to make any tutorial on any turban, so you can contact me easily on Instagram. I'm gonna accept your requests. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you tie a beautiful SHEMAGH like Omer, Borkan, Al-Gala. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful SHEMAGH. Enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, because I'm just waiting for that. Allah Hafiz till my next video.